A day at the railway station. One morning, I visited the railway station with my family. The platform was crowded with people waiting for their trains. I saw porters carrying heavy luggage and vendors selling tea, snacks, and books. The loud whistle of the train excited me as it slowly entered the station. People hurried to board while others waved goodbye to their loved ones. Watching the train start its journey filled me with joy. A day at the railway station was truly an exciting experience. Okay, so now we are going to write down some of the difficult words. Okay, railway station, R-A-I-L, rail, W-A-Y, railway, S-T-A-T-I-O-N, railway station. Now, platform, P-L-A-T-F-O-R-M, platform. Porters, P-O-R-T-E-R-S, porters. Are you writing? Write down. Heavy luggage, H-E-A-V-Y, heavy luggage, L-U-G-G-A-G-E, luggage. Vendor, V-E-N-D-O-R, vendor. Then whistle, W-H-I-S-T-L-E, whistle. Journey, J-O-U-R-N-E-Y, journey. Okay. So first one is railway station, platform, porters, heavy luggage, vendor, whistle, journey. Okay. Thank you for watching, my little ones. Do like, share and subscribe, and please follow and subscribe to Kidoptive Homeschooling Insta and FB page.